This is just real life, okay? Get over it, Karen. Straight up sour. Wait, it worked. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle Burr. So I decided that I was going to do my battery is already trying to die, are you kidding? Alrighty, already off to a really great start. So I decided that I was gonna do a follow-up video with my Lange Levite straightener brush. I made a video probably like 2 years ago. I mean, I've had this thing forever now. The video did really well. I low-key got roasted in the comments because I have naturally really straight hair and I'm using a straightener brush. I was reviewing a straightener brush. Let me inform you, sis, girls with naturally straight hair still straighten their hair, okay? It smooths it. This brush helps me get volume on top of that. By the way, a lot of people gave me tips on how to use this brush better, so I'm gonna be doing that in this video. So yeah, just because I have straight hair doesn't mean that I can't use a straightening brush. And also, I'm pretty sure I said at least 10 times in that video that I'm just trying this for volume. So obviously I already have really straight natural hair. I literally said my goal isn't to straighten, it's more to just get volume. So my goal with this brush isn't so much the straightening part of it as much as the volume part of it. The volume. I said that so many times and people were like, wow, this review is just so stupid. You already have straight hair. Here's the hair situation. Last night, I did a late night workout, okay? I took a shower, washed my hair, and hair washing days are very used sparingly around here. But my smart self decided that I was too tired to blow dry and style my hair. So I put my volumizing mousse in, and then I put it in a low ponytail, still wet, and went to sleep. I woke up with crunchy, already looking greasy hair. Not to mention, it's just, it ain't it, sis. So hopefully you'll accept this a little better than my previous video. So I didn't do anything ahead of time. I wanted to show you exactly how I use my Lange Levite straightening brush, like how I style. So I honestly haven't even brushed my hair today. I just threw it up. But the first thing that I for sure want to do is get my dry shampoo. It's the same dry shampoo I used in the last video. It is the Dove dry shampoo. I've used this for at least 5 years. And I'm just gonna spray that all in my hair. It is technically clean hair, but using dry shampoo on your clean hair is kind of going to prevent the oil from showing itself in the first place. And it's also really good for texture and volume. Also, since that video, this is really exciting for me. I've graduated to womanhood because I no longer part my hair to the side. I'm a middle part type of gal now. And I just feel so grown up. This cracked door behind me is low-key freaking. Okay. So I brushed my hair through. I'm gonna go ahead and find my center part because I'm a grown-ass woman with a center part. I know the lighting isn't the best in here, kind of like my last video, but I'm not like a beauty gal, so I really just don't need the best lighting. This is just real life, okay? And if you don't appreciate real life, then you don't belong here. You done stumbled across the wrong bitch, okay? Got my part. God, we'll just look, we need volume. Like, this is not cute. So I have my brush already heated up. It doesn't take long to heat up at all. You can like literally see the temp rising very quick when you turn it on. And I put it on 410. So you're gonna preheat your oven to 450 and bake your hair for 30 minutes. I will say with my straightener, I will have a lot more damage, like a regular traditional flat iron, because when you use a flat iron, you are literally taking 2 hot plates, clamping it on your hair and sliding it down. This is yet like a bunch of little tiny hot plates, and they're spaced out, and it's just not like suffocating your hair. And it's just so freaking quick. Like, I mean, are you shook? Are you shook? 2 years later, I still love this invention. I don't regret purchasing it, like all 3 of the curling irons that I have under my sink right now that I highly regret purchasing. And yeah, just like that, we're done, sis. So I'm just basically gonna go all around my head. I know I have naturally straight hair, okay? Get over it, Karen. But like, still there's a difference. Look at this frizz, and like clearly I slept in a ponytail with like wet, moussed hair. You know, it's not perfect. It's just not. And then after I use this brush, it's like kind of perfect. I think my favorite part of this really is that it genuinely takes no time. Like, you could just like sprawl out of bed and not have to put your hair in a messy bun if you have this. Like, all you really need to do is just run it through your hair like you would a brush. There is a little tip that someone left for me on my other video. That kind of gave me volume doing that. Let's try that again. Love that. Okay, so there's this little tip that someone left for me on my first video that I made. And they said that whenever I'm done styling, if I use this as a tease brush, it gets you the best tease slash volume of life. So we're gonna try that. Okay, look, my hair is done. Like, already the bottom's done. Now I just have to do the top, and then I'm gonna tease it, and I'm really excited for that. Yes, my hair is straight, but like, girls with straight hair still use straightening tools. I don't know why curly-headed people don't understand that we straighten our hair too, okay? Mind you, I wish I had beautiful curly hair. I don't like having bored straight hair. I still feel the need to straighten it more. That's the funny thing. So cool, you just literally brush your hair. Yeah, some people were just like straight up sour in my last video. When I made it a point to say, like, I wasn't even like trying to pretend like I had curly hair. I freaking specifically said, my goal is trying to figure out how to achieve volume with this new hot brush. Volume, volume, volume. Because like, no crap, if you're using a flat iron to straighten your hair, it's gonna take away the volume because you're like smushing your hair in between these 2 plates. So then whenever I saw like, oh, this is a straightener brush, then it could probably help me get some really good volume, which it does. I mean, it keeps the air in your hair. I don't think that's scientifically correct, but you know what I mean. It's not like clamping it down. It's just like a very airy straighten. Not accurate or smart thing to say. I have to add volume. Like, we don't leave the house without volume. Not a chance, Clementine. I repeat, I have straight hair. I'm just trying to get volume and straighten it. What's wrong with that? I don't try to be a phony pony, okay? I don't like phony ponies. If you see any other video on my channel, I'm not a phony pony, so. And golly, every time I use this, I'm like, bang, Skippy. I just feel so like straight hair, but still like, I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, and shaman. If I tease it like a brush, I'll have more volume. So let's see. Okay. You ready? I want to make sure it's like good and smooth. I hope this is doing something. Seems like it is. Wait, it worked. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna let it cool and I'm gonna do like different parts of my hair. This is cute. I think I should just leave this. Okay, let's see. Look how bad my roots are. I mean, I'm fine with roots. if you're a blonde, you know you're fine with roots, you know? Like, we thrive with roots, especially in this day and age, but I do need a haircut. I don't get my nails done, so I'm good there too. Thank God I'm low maintenance, because I'm good. Just need a haircut. Which, even if I was allowed to get a haircut right now, I'd procrastinate doing it. That's just who I am. Okay. Hope I did this right. The girl who left the comment on my last video, did I do this right? Okay. Should I hairspray it and then brush it down? Bitch, I don't know, but that's some volume. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Okay. How about I'm never gonna not do this ever again? Like, even if I'm curling my hair, I'm gonna do this first and then curl my hair. I'm shook like a cookbook. Now, I done told you I already had straight hair. You heard me, right? Say it with me. Michelle has straight hair. Okay, so I guess since it was hot, it ain't going anywhere, that's for sure. Okay, I need to check out the back, but wow. This is nice, this is good. I dig it. Or do I look like an alien because it's so big? Here, let me flatten just this part down a little bit. Okay, there we go, smooth her out. So maybe after you do the teasing part, just like go over it. Wow. Okay, I want to spray it now, but I should probably look at the back first. Oh. It looks good. It looks really good. Oh. Like what? Like what? Like what? Like what? Like what? That was so annoying. Okay, let me turn off my Double Dazzer, my Lange Levite Straighten. And I'm just gonna give my hair a little final spray with the weightless hairspray made by Rusk. I like this stuff because it's not like sticky, crazy. Okay. I feel fabulous. I feel like I have good hair. You know what I feel like? I feel like the good old days, because I used to like really tease up my hair, especially when I had short hair, but even before that. And I would put so much hairspray. But like, I just feel better when my hair has volume. When it's flat, I feel like it's just like stuck to my face. Guys, this is the final product. I think it looks so good. I, from now on, am going to use the brush to tease the top. For sure, that was a really, really good tip. That was really, really good. Okay guys, so that is my second follow-up of the Lange Levite hair straightener brush. If you like this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.